Imagine unlocking the secret to boundless energy, a sharp mind, and a body that feels invincible. What if I told you the key isn't in a magic pill, but on your plate? Yes, you heard it right. In this video, we're embarking on a culinary adventure to explore the healthiest foods that are not just good for you, but can revolutionize your well-being. We'll uncover the treasures hidden in everyday ingredients and some exotic newcomers that deserve a spot in your kitchen. From the lush fields of ancient grains to the deep blue secrets of antioxidant-rich berries, get ready to fuel your body with nothing but the best. These aren't just foods, they're your ticket to a healthier, happier life. But before we go ahead, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Dive into a world of health, vitality, and deliciousness that awaits you. Trust us, your body will thank you. Superfruits galore. Superfruits are not just ordinary fruits, they are nature's treasure trove of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and many more health-boosting nutrients. Among these, acai berries stand out as a remarkable source of antioxidants, which are crucial for combating free radicals in the body. These free radicals are responsible for cell damage and aging. Acai berries, with their deep purple hue, are not only beneficial for maintaining youthful skin, but also play a significant role in boosting energy levels. Their high antioxidant content supports skin health by protecting it from the harmful effects of pollution and UV radiation, while their ability to enhance energy makes them a favorite among those looking to maintain a vibrant lifestyle. Avocados are another superfruit that deserves mention. Rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, avocados contribute to heart health by lowering bad cholesterol levels and improving good cholesterol levels. These creamy fruits are also excellent for enhancing the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamins A, D, E, and K from other foods consumed in the same meal. This makes avocados a perfect companion to any dish, ensuring that you get the most out of your meals, both in terms of taste and nutritional value. Blueberries, with their sweet and tangy flavor, are not just a treat for the taste buds, but also for the brain. They are known for their cognitive benefits, particularly in enhancing memory and focus. The high levels of antioxidants found in blueberries, including flavonoids, have been linked to slower aging and reduced risk of developing age-related cognitive diseases. Their antioxidant properties also contribute to overall health by fighting off free radicals, making blueberries a powerful ally in maintaining a sharp mind and a healthy body. Vegetables with a punch. Moving from the sweet delights of superfruits to the robust world of vegetables, kale emerges as a powerhouse of nutrition. This leafy green is loaded with vitamins A, K, and C, making it one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. Its high vitamin content supports various bodily functions, including immune system health, bone health, and the body's ability to heal wounds. Kale's rich nutrient profile makes it an essential vegetable for those looking to pack a punch of nutrients into their diet. Spinach is another vegetable that boasts a high nutritional value, particularly known for its iron content. Iron is vital for creating hemoglobin, which carries oxygen to the body's tissues, thus playing a crucial role in energy production and muscle strength. Spinach is also rich in other nutrients, including magnesium and vitamins, which support eye health by protecting against UV light and other harmful wavelengths. Beets are not to be overlooked in the vegetable kingdom. These root vegetables are known for their ability to regulate blood pressure and improve stamina. The nitrates found in beets are converted into nitric oxide in the body, which helps widen blood vessels and improve blood flow. This not only supports heart health, but also enhances physical performance and stamina. Additionally, beets have anti-inflammatory properties, making them beneficial for reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall health. Grains and seeds wonder. In the realm of health and nutrition, grains and seeds hold a special place for their dense nutritional profiles and health benefits. Quinoa, for instance, is a remarkable grain that has gained popularity worldwide for its complete protein content, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. This makes quinoa an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans looking for plant-based protein sources. Additionally, quinoa is rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Its versatility in recipes, from salads to bowls and even desserts, makes it a favorite among health-conscious individuals seeking both nutrition and flavor in their meals. Chia seeds are another nutritional powerhouse, known for their high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and reducing inflammation. These tiny seeds are also rich in fiber, contributing to digestive health and helping maintain a feeling of fullness, which can aid in weight management. Moreover, chia seeds are beneficial for bone health thanks to their high content of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Their ability to absorb water and form a gel-like texture makes them a unique ingredient for puddings, smoothies, and other hydrating recipes. Flax seeds round out the trio of grains and seeds, wonders with their impressive health benefits. These small seeds are a rich source of lignans, a type of phytoestrogen that has been linked to reducing the risk of certain types of cancer, particularly breast cancer. Flax seeds are also known for their heart health benefits, as they are high in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that can help reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Additionally, the high fiber content in flax seeds promotes digestive health, making them a valuable addition to a heart-healthy and cancer-protective diet. Protein powerhouses. The importance of protein in the diet cannot be overstated, especially when it comes from plant-based sources that offer additional health benefits. Lentils are a prime example of such a source, providing not only plant-based protein but also iron and folate, which are essential for energy production and overall health. Lentils are incredibly versatile, making them an easy addition to soups, stews, salads, and even as a meat substitute in burgers and meatballs. Their high protein content supports muscle repair and growth, while their iron and folate content helps prevent anemia and supports healthy pregnancy. Greek yogurt stands out in the dairy category for its high protein content, probiotics, calcium, and muscle repair benefits. The probiotics in Greek yogurt support gut health by maintaining a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is essential for digestion and immune function. Calcium is vital for bone health, while the high protein content aids in muscle repair and recovery after exercise. Greek yogurt can be enjoyed on its own, mixed with fruits and nuts, or used as a base for smoothies and sauces, offering a creamy texture and a tangy flavor that enhances various dishes. Super spices and herbs. The culinary world is rich with spices and herbs that do more than just enhance flavor. They offer significant health benefits that can transform your diet. Turmeric, a bright yellow spice known for its use in curries and mustards, stands out for its anti-inflammatory properties. It contains curcumin, a compound that has been shown to improve brain function and provide pain relief, making it a valuable addition to the diet for those looking to reduce inflammation and support cognitive health. Cinnamon, a spice that is as delicious as it is healthy, is celebrated for its ability to control blood sugar levels. This makes it an essential spice for individuals managing diabetes or looking to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. Additionally, cinnamon's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties contribute to overall health, fighting off free radicals and reducing inflammation in the body. Hydration heroes. Hydration is key to maintaining optimal health, and certain beverages stand out for their hydrating properties and health benefits. Coconut water is one such drink, offering a natural source of electrolytes, including potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which are essential for hydration and maintaining fluid balance in the body. Its low-calorie content makes it an excellent alternative to sugary sports drinks, providing a refreshing way to stay hydrated. Green tea is another beverage that not only hydrates, but also provides a metabolic boost. Rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, green tea supports heart health and has calming effects on the mind. Its ability to enhance metabolism makes it a popular choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. The magic of mushrooms. Mushrooms are not typically grouped with superfoods, but their unique health benefits warrant their inclusion. Shiitake mushrooms, for example, are known for their ability to support the immune system and reduce cholesterol levels thanks to their content of beta-glucans and other compounds. They are also a good source of B vitamins, which are essential for energy metabolism and brain health. Cordyceps mushrooms offer an energy boost and anti-aging benefits. They have been shown to improve oxygen utilization in the body, enhancing physical performance and energy levels. Their anti-aging properties are attributed to their antioxidant content, which helps protect cells from damage. As we wrap up this journey through the world of superfoods, remember, incorporating these nutritional powerhouses into your diet is like giving your body a hug from the inside. Each bite is a step towards a healthier you, a promise of vitality, and a testament to the power of natural goodness. From the heart-healthy fats of avocados to the brain-boosting antioxidants of blueberries, these foods are your allies in the quest for lifelong wellness. If you've enjoyed this guide to the healthiest foods you need in your diet right now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tips and delicious ways to eat your way to health. Your journey to a better you starts with a single bite. So, what are you waiting for? Let's make every meal a step towards a healthier life. See you in the next video.